Hello, you're very welcome here in my space. My name is Paul. Think of me as the sage with no robes. The guy that lives in the 3D, works in the 5D, and wants to share what I know with you. Now you're here today because you want a healing prayer. So you know, in the timestamp below is where the prayer starts. So you could go straight there if you want to. However, I'm asking you please, just to listen to what I'm saying so that you can make the prayer work properly for you. And that's the whole point, isn't it? Now, if you've got a serious medical condition and you haven't seen any medics yet, then that's just silly. Go and see the medics. This is the 21st century. Wonderful, wonderful things are being done with medicine. So take advantage of it. This prayer, though, will help whatever they do work even better. And if you've seen medics and you're on a course or at your end of your course, then this prayer is just what you need for healing from the inside out. If you have mental issues or even spiritual issues, if you're struggling with your spirituality or struggling to get on the road to spirituality, then this prayer is exactly what you need. If you're just feeling lackadaisical, run down, tired, then this prayer is just what you need. And if you want to pray for someone you dearly love who is ill, who has a serious condition, then you need this prayer for you, so you can heal yourself before you can heal them. And if you say to me, I feel fine, there's nothing wrong with me, Paul, I promise you, you're not in perfect balance. And this prayer is going to help you pull yourself into perfect balance. That's the whole point. We're all out of balance as we go through our lives. If we can keep our body in balance, if we can keep the elements in our body all in balance, then life is a breeze, physically, mentally, and spiritually. And why wouldn't you want that? Okay, so the intention is really important with a prayer. Intention is about you believing the words you're saying. It's so easy, isn't it, to rattle off a prayer, rattle off words. But what do they mean? What do the words actually mean? And if you rattle them off, they just mean nothing. They're just words going out into space. You need to have the intention when you read this prayer. So, in this video, when the prayer starts, you'll see that it comes up 3 times. The first time, I want you to read the words on the screen in your head. The second time it comes up, I want you to say the words in your mouth. If you're in a busy place, and really, if you're saying this prayer, you should be somewhere quiet on your own. But if you are in a busy place, then say this prayer, mouth the words. And then the third time the prayer comes up, say it as loud. Get it out there. Now, listen to the words you're saying. That's the point, isn't it? It's about intention. Listen to the words you're saying. What are you saying? What do those words mean? Intention. That's what works. Having intention. Believing in what you're saying. If you believe what you're saying, then it can't do anything else but heal you. That's all that can happen. Your body will heal you. That's what happens if you believe in intention. So, the prayer's coming up in a moment. I've told you what to do. It's up to you. Once a day for 7 days, watch this video. At the end of 7 days, you will see the difference in yourself. You will feel the difference in yourself. You will be aware of the difference in yourself. You might even start, if you're not a very spiritual person, you might even start to feel spiritual. You might start to feel you're getting in touch with your spiritual side. All well and good. I'm here to help you through that. I will be making videos, The Sage Without Robes, about the things that happen to you when you're going through a spiritual awakening. But I won't be giving it to you in all the mumbo jumbo. I'll be giving it to you straight and just tell you what happens. And there's so much rubbish out there on the internet. There really is. So I might be saying rubbish. It's up to you to decide. It's up to your spirit to decide. And the reason you're here today, because I believe your spirit brought you here. So get going with the prayer. 7 days. And obviously, if the prayer works for you, and it will, if you breathe it with intent, It will, if you believe it with intent, then please like, share. Obviously, other people need to experience what you've experienced, the beauty of it. And then subscribe, because you'll be on your spiritual path. And I'm here to help you on that path. One of my things I like to do is Q&A. People ask me questions and I answer them. So, now's enough. I've talked enough. Listen to the prayer, and at the end of the prayer, take that minute as you're asked to relax and to think about what you've just said. And then I will give you a final finish at the end. And thank you for being here.
Spirit within, I thank you for your presence in every breath. I honor the light within me, ancient, boundless, and whole. Source of life, restore harmony to my body, clarity to my mind, and peace to my soul. Infuse me now with your rhythm, your love, your wisdom. Let each cell remember its purpose and awaken to its perfection. Let each part of my being, known and hidden, be returned to its rightful balance. Let what is weary be renewed, what is blocked be cleared, what is broken be mended. Guide me closer to my highest self, moment by moment, breath by breath. Amen. Ashai, so be it. Spirit within, I thank you for your presence in every breath. I honor the light within me, ancient, boundless, and whole. Source of life, restore harmony to my body, clarity to my mind, and peace to my soul. Infuse me now with your rhythm, your love, your wisdom. Let each cell remember its purpose and awaken to its perfection. Let each part of my being, known and hidden, be returned to its rightful balance. Let what is weary be renewed, what is blocked be cleared, what is broken be mended. Guide me closer to my highest self, moment by moment, breath by breath. Amen. Ashai, so be it. Spirit within, I thank you for your presence in every breath. I honor the light within me, ancient, boundless, and whole. Source of life, restore harmony to my body, clarity to my mind, and peace to my soul. Infuse me now with your rhythm, your love, your wisdom. Let each cell remember its purpose and awaken to its perfection. Let each part of my being, known and hidden, be returned to its rightful balance. Let what is weary be renewed, what is blocked be cleared, what is broken be mended. Guide me closer to my highest self, moment by moment, breath by breath. Amen. Ashai, so be it.
You're here. Thank you. I hope the prayer resonated deeply within you, and if it didn't, it will start to do tomorrow. It takes time. You can't fix these things in one go. That's why you're doing it for 7 days. But you will feel and you will see the difference in yourself. And as I say, do subscribe to the channel, do like, and please comment. Tell me at the end of the 7 days how you got on, how you're feeling. Let us know. We all need to know. I do read all the comments. The Sage Without Robes, somebody that can help you on your spiritual journey. I think of myself as a temperance card between the 3D and the 5D, and I can help you get from here to here. And what happens when you get to the 5D? Well, that's for another video, isn't it? Thank you for being here. I've enjoyed your company. You're always very welcome. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. And goodbye.